Hi, this is Fredric Mau. I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and I will be one of the presenters. Please join me for the client's vision, clarifying, motivating, powerful. This presentation is designed to demonstrate how to use the client's own language to create personalized hypnotic processes from induction to emerging. I will be covering the following topics: how to do a solution-focused pre-talk, how to identify key emotional terms used by a client, how to create hypnotic suggestions keyed to client language, how to reframe client narratives in a solution-focused direction. This presentation is designed to give you a way to engage your clients in a more personally meaningful, powerful, and focused way. I look forward to meeting you at this year's NGH convention.